Fibromyalgia is a disorder characterized by widespread pain, accompanied by fatigue, sleep memory, and mood issues. Researchers believe that the way the brain processes pain signals is amplified in fibromyalgia sufferers. Symptoms may begin after a physical trauma, surgery, infection, or significant stress, or they may accumulate gradually with no triggering event. Living with fibromyalgia can be painful, stressful, and debilitating. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that affects the proper functioning of nerves and muscles. Those suffering from chronic pain often have low levels of vitamin D. Regulating your vitamin D levels may help the body regain proper functioning of muscle fibers and lessen pain. Getting a little sunshine is the best way to provide your body with vitamin D, but it can also be found in salmon, fortified milk, and fortified orange juice. Magnesium. Magnesium is part of many reactions in the body, and a deficiency can lead to muscle aches. Magnesium is able to relax the muscles and the nervous system to help reduce stress and elevate mood. Magnesium-rich foods include spinach, pumpkin seeds, yogurt, almonds, black beans, avocados, dark chocolate, and bananas. Acupuncture. Acupuncture therapy stimulates blood flow and helps nutrients reach trigger points to reduce pain. It can also be used as a relaxation tool to reduce stress and promote better sleep, and it's been shown to be more effective than some drugs for pain relief. Sugar. Sugar can activate inflammatory processes in the body, which can lead to pain. Sugary foods can also cause fatigue and fogginess. Cutting added sugar out of your diet may help reduce chronic pain. Vegetables. Researchers believe that choosing more vegetarian foods can help reduce pain in those suffering from fibromyalgia. The minerals and vitamins in vegetables work wonders on the body, and less energy is needed to break down vegetables, compared to meat. Sleep. Sleep is a vital tool in maintaining health, especially for those suffering from fibromyalgia. Instead of the standard 8 hours, fibromyalgia sufferers should aim for 9 to 10 hours of sleep each night, to help the body recover and repair.